Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create your NFT on Opensea. So now, Opensea is an NFT collection platform. You can trade your NFT collection, you can post your NFT collection on it, and you can make profits or lose. It depends on you in that website. So the fact that you are going to list or create an NFT in that website is really good, because it gives you so much opportunities to get some buys and to make some profits. So first of all, what I need you to do, guys, before you even open OpenSea, you'll have to get a wallet first. So a wallet like MetaMask can help you a lot to sign in that website. So first of all, we go ahead in Google Chrome or any browser and search for MetaMask. From here, you click here, click on download, and go to install it as an extension. So after that, you create an account very easily, and then you will be ready to go. Now what we are going to do is OpenSea, and here we are in that website. Now we are simply going to sign in by just clicking on this wallet and choosing MetaMask. So I am already signed in. So basically what I'm going to do is come to my profile picture in here and click on create. As you can see, here is it loading. So now let's create a new item. It requires an image or video, audio, or 3D model file, and its max bus capacity must not pass 100 megabytes. Here you put the name of your collection, an external link if you want to add it, a description about your collection, the collection name. So here it is. If you want to add it to a collection or already in a collection, here you can add properties, so character names, male or female, add more, and etc. Here you can add levels, so speed and etc. Here you can add stats, here levels, as you can see. Here you can unlockable content, here if it is like sensitive content, and here you add the supply, and after that you choose which blockchain you want to be in it. After that you click on create, and you'll be creating your first NFT on OpenSea. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.